today. We're not going just to eat, but we are going to enjoy music, comedy, and food. Good evening, everyone. This is your friend Tenta Channel, and today we are going to have a beautiful experience tonight. We are here in Mbarara. This is the hits, and there is an experience show of comedians and music. Today we are going to enjoy this, and after I'm going to try some little food, as you know. Yeah, please keep there and watch this because we are going to enjoy this. Please. And we have just started our beautiful night. Wow, this is gonna be amazing. Oh my god, you know what guys, you're also gonna meet a lot of Ugandan artists here. Oh wow. They told me that this is the Ankole moves called Kichiga dance. Kichiga dance, wow.
Thank you so much. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Today I'm trying this rollex. It's really amazing. I can't wait to ask to come back here and try it again because I've just learned it so much. And here we're going back to the music and comedy.
ebisigadde byalimu oluyi engolo esambadde nakwezonga.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. But first, wait, you guys. I swear. Hey. I swear, I got priesthood. I've not done rehearsal with this band. Clap for them. Thank you so much. What is it? This is not your show? Because now you're shining more than me. Control you. Talker number 2. Shine on you. I always prefer to make people laugh. But today, ahanijaho kureshongolera. My name is Kansiime and I am the chief whip of Chica. Shine. Ntaranze. Sorry guys. Shine yanjira ngo bindakole byona ntaranze nyuma mama razoka. Yajangu ngeno ngambe na nanda tambura kisigani mako binajurira izo bya mushobiri. So munyikirize shita. Now there's this song I recall the box of rice that someone gave us, and how my mama put the rice to use. There were rice of many colors, and every piece was small, and I didn't have a coat, and it was way down in the cold. Mama sewed the rice together, sewed in every piece with love. She made my coat of many colors that I was so proud of. Continue playing. The reason I love this song is it reminds me of how hard it was for my mother. My father always seemed to have money. It was always hard for my mother to have money to give us the things that we really wanted. So every time I listen to this song, I have a feeling if I was born a little bit earlier, I would be doing better. So my coat of many colors and my mama made for me, made only from right hooks in both my shoes. In my coat of many colors, I have read up to school, just to find the others laughing and making fun of me. In my coat of many colors, I was so proud. I know I couldn't understand it, 'cause I felt I was rich, and I told them all the love my mama sewed in every stitch, and I told them all the stories mama sewed what she sewed, and how my coat of many colors was what would I their clothes. They didn't understand me, and I tried to make them see that one is only poor only if they choose to be. Now I know we had no money, but I was rich as I could be. In my coat of many colors, my mama had made.
Thank you again, guys. It's been amazing. It's been a real nice night together. We had fun, we enjoyed. Thanks so much for supporting me. Thanks so much for loving Tenta channel, for being there for me, for subscribing on my channel. Thank you so much. Ciao. Good night.